Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so all of you fine. About today we will continue from question number 5. Simplify each of the following algebraic fraction exercise 6a again. So question number 5 part number E. Okay, part number E is that y square minus 2y minus 15 upon y square minus 3y minus 10. Okay, how we solve this type of expression? First of all, we will notice that here the equation given of degree 2 means it is quadratic equation of the power of 2. We know very well ax square plus bx plus c. It is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Yes, here quadratic equation given. So how quadratic expression given? So how we solve it? First of all, we check that any number or any expression or any variable is common or not. In this case, here y given, where minus 2y given, but 15 does not have a y. That's why nothing is common in numerator. In the denominator also nothing is common. So by factorization, we can apply middle term breaking. Okay, how we apply middle term breaking? First of all, end value and first value will be multiplied. 15 ones are 15. So we will make factors. Okay, 3 5s are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So we have two factors, 3 multiplied by 5. We will check that by plus minus it will be changed into 2. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So we will write down y square, okay, 3y, okay, and 5y minus 15. Okay, what will the sign both terms have? Okay, here we need a sign of negative. We require sign negative. So the bigger value have a negative sign and lowest value, less value have a positive sign. Plus minus minus 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 4. Or others that both terms, first and end term have opposite sign. That's why middle terms have opposite sign. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So on the new denominator, minus 10. Minus 10 will be changes into minus 3. How? We will check by factors. 2 5s are 10. So 5 is a 5. Again 2 multiplied by 5. These are the required factor. 5 plus minus it will be changes into minus 3. Okay, y square. What are the signs? I don't know. Please wait. 2y and 5y minus 10. Let's see that we will see that last value and first value have opposite sign. That's why both terms have a opposite sign. But which term have a negative sign and which term have a positive sign? We need negative sign. So larger value have a negative sign and lowest value have a positive sign. So we make groups. Okay, how we make groups or pairs? These are the pairs. Okay, by upper in this pair y common. Okay, y plus 3 is remaining. In this case negative common, negative 5 common into y plus 3. Sign will be changes minus minus plus. Upon y common into y plus 2. In this case minus 5 common into y plus 2. Okay, what will be the next step? These are common again. So y plus 3 we write out one time. Y plus 3, okay, into y minus 5 upon y plus 2 again common. Y plus 2 into y minus 5. These y minus 5s are cancelled. So remaining is y plus 3 upon y plus 2. That's your final answer. It is our final answer. Now we will move towards F part. F part, what is F part? Okay, the F part given is that 8 minus 2m minus m square upon what is upon 2m square minus 3m minus 2. Okay, first of all, in the numerator we will arrange into standard form, or we will arrange by degree, by highest degree on the first and next one and last is 0. Highest degree is 2, we will shift on the left hand side. Okay, minus m square, solution minus m square minus 2m plus 8. Okay. Now on the lower side, it is arranged already. That's why it is remaining same. 2m square minus 3m minus 2. Okay, we will apply again unit term making. 8 ones are 8. We need 2. Okay, you know very well. Here rough work. 8 factors of 8. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 4, it is our required factor. Okay, minus m square. Okay, both have opposite sign, that's why both have opposite sign. We need negative sign, so we put negative sign with 4 and positive sign with 2. So minus 4m minus, so plus 2m plus 8 upon, again we will make factors. 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4. So next factors are 4 ones are 4 in the denominator. 2m square, as it is factors 4 and 4, 4 and 1. So 4m 1m minus 2. What will be the sign? Middle value have a negative sign, so here value have a negative sign and this one have a positive sign. So first of all we will take common in the numerator. First of all negative common, and this one m square, this one is m1, so m common, m minus 4 remain. In this case plus 2 common, here minus, so we take minus common, so minus minus plus, so m plus 4. Okay, on the denominator, from this and this 2m common into m minus 4. Okay, next one is, in this case nothing is common, then one common is m minus 2. In this case 2 common, so m minus 2 is remaining, so m minus 2 is remaining. Okay, next step, in this case m minus m plus 2. Okay, what will we will take common again, m plus 4 into minus m plus 2. Okay, in the denominator m minus 2 again common, and remaining is 2m plus 1. Okay, let's students focus on this point. In the denominator we have m minus 2, in the numerator we have minus m plus 2. Okay, we will take common negative by default cancellation. So m plus 4 minus common into sign will be changed, m minus 2 upon m minus 2 into 2m plus 1. So both are cancelled. What is remaining? Minus into m plus 4 upon 2m plus 1. That's our final answer. Now we will move towards that part. Now G part question. Question number 5, G part. What is G part? 9x square minus y square upon y square minus 2xy minus 3x square. Okay, you can see that students, 9x square minus y square. Okay, in the numerator first of all, you can see that both terms are the perfect square. So these are the perfect square, then we apply formula. Which one formula? Third identity, a square minus b square. Okay, first of all we will convert this into perfect square. Solution 9. 9 is the perfect square of 3x whole square minus y whole square. Okay, you understand? Okay, we will move toward next. First of all, we will check that in the denominator, first value and end value are perfect square or not. Here y square, which is a perfect square. X is a perfect square, but 3 is not a perfect square. That's why in this case we can't apply formula. So we will apply middle term breaking by factorization. First term is common. Then we apply formula like this step, or next step is middle term breaking. So here we can't apply formula, so we will apply middle term breaking. 3 ones are 3, so both are the factor 3 multiplied by 1. 3 minus 1 is equals to minus 2. So y square 3xy and 1xy. What will be the sign both terms have? Okay, we need negative sign, so bigger value have a negative sign and this one have a positive sign. So minus 3x square as it is. Okay, now we will apply formula. What will be the formula of a square minus b square? A square minus b square will be equals to a plus b or a minus b. So here a value is 3x and b value is y. So a plus b, 3x plus y and 3x minus y. So 3x plus y into 3x minus y. Okay, by applying third identity or formula a square plus b square. Okay, in this case, from this group what common, from this group what common, we will check that. Here y common, y1 is remaining in the bracket minus 3x. Understand? In this case what common? X common plus x common or y minus 3x again remaining. Okay, you may focus again from this pair or from this group. We will expect common of y. We took y common and y is remaining minus 3x. Next, in next group we took x common because both terms have x. Of x common, so remaining is y minus 3x. Now next step, numerator as it is 3x plus y and 3x minus y. Okay, in this case we will take again common y minus 3x, remaining is y plus x. Okay, in the numerator we have positive x, in this case we have negative x, in this case we have positive x, 3x, in this case we have negative 3x. Okay, both factors are same but only the difference of sign. Okay, how we will change the sign? If you want to change the sign, up to your choice. You want to change the sign of the numerator or denominator, it's up to your choice. When you want to change the sign, then you will take negative common. Okay, in this case you will take common negative from this, then sign will be changed inside. Okay, 3x plus y, we will take negative common, so sign will be changed, plus minus minus 3x and plus y upon denominator as it is y plus x. What cancels? Minus 3x plus y, so it is totally cancelled. Remaining is that minus 3x plus y upon y plus x. It's up to your choice if you want to multiply with negative sign. So minus 3x plus minus y upon y plus x. In this case, it is a factorized form, but when we multiply, this changes into terms or sum of the expression or negative subtract of the expression g. So, we will read the steps. First step, by applying formula, we change a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Then we apply middle term taking. We took common. In this case, y common, y minus x, and in this case, x common, y minus x. Important step is that we have this type. Okay, in this case we have positive x, in this case we have negative x. We want to change this into same of this factor, so we will take common. We took common negative for changing sign inside. So positive sign is changed into negative, and positive, sorry, negative y changed into positive y. So both are cancelled, remaining is your 5 answer. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.